Hi, my name's Monique Woodward. I'm the director of WOWOWA Architecture and you're at WOWOWA Presto. Well, the clients got in touch and they said they had a really cute little deco clinker brick house in Preston and we were super excited about it. We love heritage architecture. We love embellishing the project. Yeah, we love taking little gems that are in the suburbs and generally clearing out the back and putting on really contemporary, beautiful, yummy, delightful renovations. When you first come in the door, you'll see one of the Deco ceiling roses that really did inspire the entire house. You come a little bit further and you look at this really quite incredible crystalline skylight that we're really proud of. And then, you sort of come down the hallway, which might seem a little bit dark, and then you pop into this incredible space that looks out onto the garden. At the end of the corridor, there's this incredible prism that we are really proud of that negotiates the different ceiling heights from the original to the new. The kitchen is actually in the same location as it was, it's just rearranged, and that's my favorite thing because the majority of houses are planned really badly, and so to be able to utilize the space that already exists and just rework it so it's fit for purpose. In the bathroom, we continued the datum, the raspberry datum, and then we had some beautiful finger tiles. The vanity is meant to be a contemporary deco nod. We're always on the hunt for quirky, fun, humble products that we can partner with our work. Our projects are known for being really colourful, and I really love the ABI colour range because it means that we can either choose something different each time or, we have our old favourites. The thing that I enjoy most is working with my team of powerhouse architects to create homes like this. We might have 20 projects on the go and we have our favourites that are generally our renovations because we get to have the most fun and we have the most freedom and agency, and I think that'll always be true.